Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question from Mechanical 2018 on the rank of the matrix. So we have to find the rank of this matrix, which is, let's say it is A 3 cross 3. Now the conventional method says we can transform this into row echelon form and check for the number of non-zero rows, right? So whatever the number of non-zero rows will be, that will be the rank of this matrix, which can be possibly highest possible value is 3, of course not 4. Otherwise what we can do is, if we are not getting into this, another thing which we can do is, if by any sense, if by observation, if we can see that this matrix is singular, that is determinant equal to 0, then definitely the rank of this matrix is not going to be 3, and of course it has to be less than 3 then. So let's see if we can do this. What is row 3 minus row 2? It is, let's say column wise, 7 minus of minus 1, which is 8, minus 3 minus of 1, which is minus 2, and 1 minus of minus 1, which is again 2. And if we see, this is actually minus 2 times of minus 4. It is minus 2 times of minus 4, minus 2 times of minus 4, 1 and minus 1. So what is this? This minus 4, 1 and minus 1 is nothing but row 1. So we can see that this is minus 2 times of row 1. So we have a linear relation between the rows. So we have a linear relation between the rows, which is row 3 minus row 2 is equal to minus 2 row 1. That means the determinant is going to be 0 and it is going to be singular, and rank of this A matrix is not going to be 3. See, it looks that it is a linear process. We could have done directly the row echelon form and we could have understood what is the rank. But just because I'm trying to make you understand this, it is taking time. Otherwise, when will you start observing, it will be like in a fraction of a second you can say the rank is not 3, and then if it is not 3, you'll have to check minor of order 2. So what will you do next? Next is you'll check for minor of order 2. So let's take anything which will give you non-zero value. Let's say this one. This is minus 1, 7, minus 3. If you calculate this, this is going to be non-zero value, which makes the rank equal to 2. Why? Because any of the minor of that order is 0, is non-zero, then the rank is going to be that order or higher than that. So we are checking a minor of order 2, it is non-zero, so the rank is going to be 2 or more than 2. So more than 2 cases have been eliminated because it cannot be 3, so now it has to be 2. So this is the rank 2, option B.